it actually looks on this model already, but on the GFS model, we will see that it does not look this way. So we will compare and contrast, and I hope this doesn't happen, but it looks like this model is indicating more freezing rain could be occurring. The main difference here is that this model keeps this storm offshore, just like that. And I'm going to draw in red where our current storm is actually going to go. And it's going to be a lot more like this. So there's a massive difference, obviously, in those two tracks I just drew out for you guys there. Probably like, I don't even know, 300 miles maybe. So that is a huge difference here, and we're seeing obviously some pretty sketchy stuff here from the models that you would kind of question. We're seeing snowfall all the way down to the Panhandle of Florida, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, almost the entire state of Georgia there in a major snowstorm, and the entire state there in a major winter storm because we see freezing rain at the coast, snow for a majority of the state. This is pretty far-fetched, I will say that, but we need to watch it. Obviously, I would be pretty disappointed in this because my area is the only area that seems to not deal with a snowstorm as this one. Obviously, it's one model run, but that is interesting how it shows that. And we see this storm become a very strong one, 986, and I think it becomes a 979. Yeah, so this would be a more major storm actually than the ongoing one. Especially for these regions, and this model indicates these regions, but this is where it's kind of like sketchy land. I mean, it's not impossible, but just a little bit sketchy there, a little bit of fantasy land stuff going on that we would need to really see consistency to really believe at